The 2008 Matrix. Fuel efficient and practical, the Toyota Matrix boasts a cavernous 48.9 cubic feet of cargo space and convenient anti-slip rubber strips in the cargo floor. The 1.8-liter dual overhead cam, 16-valve four-cylinder in Matrix features dual independent variable valve timing with intelligence, allowing cam timing to be adjusted to suit a broad range of conditions. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.